Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Django series today. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. We are going to be setting ourselves up for a login page and a registration page. So let's revisit some things here. So I did something that was a little mean, but let's look and deal with it, because I like to go over this a lot, because you have URL, views, then whatever the HTML is. So let's do that again. So we have URL, views, then then HTML. All right. So I did something here that is a little mean. So I put this, because right now, typically you don't go to, let's save. Now, watch this. So if I hit refresh on this, this fails. So now, I get rid of this, I come back up. So I've set this up. Oops. So here we are. So now I take in nothing. Now this right here, this throws a lot of people off, where they think that is the HTML. No, this is our app. This is our app. So we're about to add two new pages. Register.html and login.html. So let's get after it. So we already have these, and we're going to use that. So come down here, path dot just register, and this should be a string. There, I'm already messing this up. And then include, then your app polls. My goodness, sorry guys. URLs. Alright, I hope I've zoomed in enough on this. So there we go. Yeah, that fits. And then path, then login. Login, then include. Still, the app that you're in. Polls. Alright, project, app, polls, URLs, because I'm sending it to this URL to check. Okay, these are linked. So here, then here, then this is going to send whichever. I'm going to link these two, so we'll keep going on this. Then it goes from here. All right, let's do this again. We'll do all of them. Close that out. And there's my, there's my bracket. Scoot that over just a touch, and I got my comma. All right, so now, so we have these set up. So this is my basically new home now. Save that. So let's see, pull this down. Yep. So now we're going to make sure, now we need to give this, because tomorrow, the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to have this, we're going to use the Django form to register and handle that. So this is what I'm talking about. Django handles a lot of things. But whatever your path is, this is what I want you to think about. Remember all the work we did with path? Path are the actual path in HTML folders and files are the exact same path. When you think of folder or subfolder, think of path. That's what we're doing. We're setting up the paths. All right. So now I need to bring this down in this path. And what is this going to be? This is going to be register. Close that up. There we go. All right. Then views. Gets back over here. Where to look, then back over. Alright, this start making sense because we have index coming here. So the next step is then I need to make two more new functions. And it's going to be, we're just going to call it register and login. So register, then name, and then register. Okay, close that out. Is it gonna fit? Okay, here we go. Path dot login. Oh, I'm forgetting the string, the raw string. All right, raw string, just like this. Raw string. Login. Okay, comma views. Look at what I did here. See how this is a little bit lighter gray? Okay, dot login, comma name equals login. Close that out. Close that out. And boom. So now I need to come back over here. Give my functions. And we're just calling this register. And we take our request. 1, 2, 3, 4. Return. Render. We're getting good at this render. Request. Now where am I going? Register. Going register. All this is right now is this. We're not going to do a lot of HTML because we get way off in the woods. So we're just handling the Django, the back end. And I'll show you some stuff, but we're not going to dig into it. I'll have the code on GitHub and all of this. So register.html, close that out, close that out. Okay. Def, then login, request. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4. Return, render. Then polls. No, poll. Nope, login. I thought I had those in a certain order. Login, HTML. There we go. Alright. So I need to save this one. Actually, I got a button here that I can save all of them. Alright. So now let's check. Oop. Let's see what I did not do. I didn't close out a parenthesis somewhere. Alright, so I'm missing a bracket here, or another parenthesis right here on this edge. So here we are, and as we can see, we have this running. So let's just pull this in. So I know, there we go. So we got our regular home, and this is what we're going to start building. And I like to really reinforce this. People think that that is the page. So I wanted to make this explicit. So here to here, then back to here, then to wherever. When we had the HTTP response, that was explicit. So I remember when I saw that, I was like, that's all we're going to do? How do we do this? Well, that's where HTML comes in. So, all right, another baby step, because I know this can be very challenging. And again, there is so much to handle on the back end. And like you'll see in the next video, Django actually has a form for us. So stay tuned. Please drop any comments, questions, any video requests down below. But this is the setup. This is how you go, and this is the path. So, all right, guys. Thanks as always for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.